Dear students, today my class is Windows WordPad. WordPad, you know the WordPad, Notepad like that WordPad. Complete explanation. Complete WordPad explanation. Before going to the class, please subscribe my channel King underscore Classroom. This is the URL of the class King Classroom. Please copy this URL and paste it on the browser and type enter, then it will appear. Then subscribe the channel and like the watch the video, learn the subject, like the video and share the videos. Now first how to how to how to open WordPad. Now how to open WordPad. Simply open this. Here Windows button is there. Click on Windows button, go to accessories, I think it is not here. Directly it is Windows 10. So directly type here to search. In the type here to search WORD word PAD pad. This is the WordPad. Open the WordPad. Okay, and here plus button is there. Zoom it. Okay. Again I am telling type here to search WordPad, WORD word PAD pad, then open it. This is the WordPad. Okay. Now WordPad has two menus, two ribbons, file menu and two ribbons, home ribbon, view ribbon. I will explain everything. First, please increase your document size, document font size. Now I am taking 26 and Calibri is the font type. Calibri. Here so many fonts is there. Please select any one font, your favorite font, and bold. Put the bold. Here I am typing my name. Tantuluri Satyanarayana Raju. Max and computer sir. Then King underscore classroom is online computer and max classes. Now first we have to save this document. File menu, under file menu save button is there. Save the document with a name. Name is DSN Raju. I am putting this. The WordPad extension name is .rtf, rich text format. Rich text format. Here I am writing WordPad extension name is double quotations RTF. Okay, rich text format. So if you save any file dsn raju .rtf, it will take rich text format RTF format. If you take Microsoft Word extension name is .docx. Okay, then save again. This is the shortcut to save. Already the name is here, DSN Raju. I am giving here DSN Raju WordPad. So already I am saved. I will explain each corner of the home ribbon now. Home. Here is the cut. Here is the first cut copy. First we have to select the text. So after selecting only these two are highlighted. So cut means move the text from one place to another place. Here I am pasting. Paste. Again, King Classroom. I am copy this. Copy. Selecting King Classroom and again copy. Control C is the shortcut. But copy means same appear the text on the place and move the text to another place. Paste here. Okay. Here the copy. How many times you have to paste? Any time. Number of times you can paste the text. Next, select the font here and place the font 2836 and color it the font. Color with this color. Put the color here. Now the color is like this. Okay. If you want here King Classroom without bold, it should look like this bold and underline cursive look like this, and here I am taking the underline. Okay, this is the underline, and this is the ABC cross like this. ABC x to the power of 4 x square. X2 is the subscript, x square is the superscript. So I am typing, if you take H2O, then 2 will be H, capital H, 2 will be down to H. So X2 here. Okay. If you take x square plus y square like that, then square should be top of the x. So this is the superscript here. Then this is also select this and square. So like that, subscript here and superscript here. Then next, remove the superscript. Then next, go to this is the font color. If you want to put a font blue, then if you type the anything, the color will be blue. This is the background color. This is the background. Then put it as this one. Foreground color is this one. Font color is this. Text color is this one. This is text highlighting color. Okay. This is paragraph. Here is the, if you select this one like this, font increase, decrease the font. Okay. Increase the font, decrease the font. Now the font is completed. This clipboard is completed. Now move to the paragraph. Now we are in the paragraph. Here left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justify. Okay. Now select this entire portion of document. Center alignment. This is the center alignment. It look like this. Right alignment means right side. Move the text from right side. Left alignment, generally left alignment is the default, and justify is the justify. It adjusts the text like this. Okay. So Control A, select entire text to select entire document with Control A is the shortcut. Left alignment. Okay. This is the Control A, paragraph alignment. This is paragraph alignment. And this is the, if you take bullets like this and like this, ABC, you want ABC, bullet like this. Type another one, take this. Type another one, it will appear. This one, it will appear. If it is numbers, then it is in the number format. Okay. Numbers. This is decrease indent. You want to decrease indent, this one. Increase indent. Indent is increase. And that means paragraph first line indent. Increase it, decrease it. This one is line alignment. line alignment, gap of the line, it will, if you take 2, gap will be increased. If you take 1, gap is reduced, line gap. So paragraph entire is over. Then insert picture. Take the picture from the folder. The picture is available and this is the picture. Insert it like this. Okay, delete the picture, select it and delete it. Insert picture, understood? Insert picture, pictures, saved pictures, no, captured pictures is there, and this is the picture. Select the picture and delete it. After that, paint drawing, just insert any drawing here. Just take a color of brush stroke, then paint here, then close here, then paint here and close here, then it will happen. Again I am telling here, paint drawing, same color is blue color, then brush, I will take this one, M, then close this directly, M will here insert. Date and time, these are the formats, date and time. So Thursday, this is the date, Thursday, Tuesday, 11th July 2023, date and time. If you insert another date and time, it will also only date format only, then it is date format. This is the date and time. Insert object. Object means any object. I am taking here Excel, Microsoft Excel 97 2007 workbook. Yeah, like this. Excel will be added. When you click on that, again I am closing. When you double click on that, Microsoft Excel is appear. In the way, the insert is over. And editing, find, replace, select all. If you select all, entire document is selecting. Okay, deselect means click the outside of the cursor, outside of the document. Find, if you find what, DAN, find next. First it will find a word or sentence or something. No is there. You find king, and you find any place of this, find king is there, king, next. WordPad has finished searching the document. So find here, already find is there. So replace means in the place of word, another word can be replaced. King plus DSN Raju. Replace means here only replace means selected only replace all means all places king. Whenever king in the document, the place will be replaced to DSN Raju. So this is also over. Now we move to view ribbon. View roller. When you click on roller, the roller will be disabled. Here roller is there, here roller part is, ribbon is disabled. And status bar means down of the part. Here is the down, 130 is there, 120, 130, that is the status bar. When you click on that, click on the button, status bar disappear and appear. Word wrap, no wrap means like this. Wrap to window means window wrapped. When you type this, next to it will move to the wrap. No wrap means it will look like this. Okay, and wrap to roller key, it will adjust the content is adjust to roller only. from 1 to 15. Scale is there, ruler measured in units, inches. Roller can be inches. Now it is 6 inches. Points, like this points, and picas, like this picas, generally centimeters. Okay. And now 100% document, 100% appear. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom out, zoom out, again zoom in. It will increase, document is increase. Now view ribbon is also over. Then file menu, save the file, save as means save the document to another name. Save, give the name to another document, same document save to another name. Otherwise it is in the form copy paste another name. So 3. So 2 files, same content is there. Now open means already existing file is there, then it will open existing files. New means new document, new means new document. Print means print, it goes to the printer. First close the print preview, open the DS and Raju. So print preview. Before going to the printer, please watch the preview. Next page is there, next page is there, next page is also appear, next page is there, next page is also previous page, previous page. Then close the print preview. Before going to print, we have to preview the document. Print, then select the printer is there to your laptop or computer, then print here. Okay. Last one, page setup. Page setup is very important. If it is A4 adjust to A4, and print page numbers also. You want to page numbers, then tick here, otherwise not. Disable that radio button. Okay, disable that checkbox. Okay. Then send a mail, send in email. If you want to send email, then it will go to the directly email. Exit, WordPad exit. This is the class. When you exit, this is the class. I think you are understand the entire process of WordPad, entire complete explanation of WordPad. Thank you.